Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a quick review about this car. At first we have to unscrew the car's battery compartment. Here you can see. Oh, the batteries are so light. So now start the installation of the battery. Alright, and you have to insert two AA size batteries in the remote. But you will get only 3 rechargeable batteries, so you have to purchase 2 AA size batteries from your local market. You can use any battery, chargeable or non-chargeable. So friends, everything is ready, so let's start the car. To operate the car, at first you have to power on the car switch, and here you can see its lights is glowing, and here you can see the remote is also ready. I think yes, remote is also working. So at first I am showing you its main feature. It can transform into a robot like that. Oh, only press this button and this car will transform into a robot. Wow. And you can change its previous position like that, which is also very simple. Let's go outside and test it.
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're causing them wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're causing them wrong. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet,